We are here in Homewood today. Gonna take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let's check it out.
Welcome to this beautifully updated home in the heart of Homewood, Illinois. This charming property features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms perfect for both family living and entertaining.
As you come in, looks like a little coat rack, coat closet.
Step into a bright, open living space with gorgeous hardwood floors and plenty of natural light.
Comes into the dining room. Oh wow, this looks like a sunroom. Probably was an addition. Baseboard heats. Pretty nice backyard area.
The backyard, plenty of room to relax, play, or entertain on those warm summer days.
Leads us to the kitchen. Nice cabinets, look like probably original finishes. Stainless steel appliances.
The kitchen is a true standout with modern cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and stylish finishes that make cooking and gathering a joy.
Looks like a garage. Okay. 2-car garage, ample space. Nice little family room area here. This looks to be the master bedroom with a master bath.
Three comfortable bedrooms and a tastefully updated full bath. If you're thinking about making this home yours, I can help with down payment assistance options to make it even more affordable.
Closet here. Main level bath.
If you're thinking about making this home yours, I can help with down payment assistance options to make it even more affordable.
Nice size bedroom here. This is a smaller bedroom. Got it for one of the kids. Let's check out the basement.
Downstairs, there's a finished basement ideal for a family room, home office, or workout space. If you're thinking about making this home yours, I can help with down payment assistance options to make it even more affordable. All of this in a quiet, well-kept neighborhood close to parks, schools, shopping, and easy transportation options.
Nice size basement here. This is the half bath on the bottom level.